Hello my dear students. Today we will study reaction of metals with acids. So be ready. Hello students, welcome back to the class, and today we will discuss about what happens when metals react with water. We have already studied about in the second chapter. Today with some more activities we will get to know about it. Let's go. Students, before knowing about how these metals will react with acids, first what we have to do, we have put all these metals in separate test tubes. As you can see, aluminium, copper, iron, magnesium, zinc. Now we will pour acid into it. We are going to add hydrochloric acid in the test tubes, like we have added in aluminium, copper, we'll add in iron. You just observe the what things are going on in them. See, now we have added magnesium, and then we have added in zinc. So you can able to rely that how the reaction is taking place and in which test tube the reaction is more vigorous, right? As I have told you, on spots they start working, start taking reaction, a lot of bubbles are forming. As we have already studied that when acid react with metal, they give you salt plus hydrogen gas. Can you see this? The bubbles are forming in zinc is good, magnesium it's too much, iron very less, copper not reactive, and even aluminium is also not that reactive. We will give a slight shake to it so that at least we can able to see. So students, with this activity we get to know that aluminium is reactive but very less reactive, copper is not reactive, iron also reactive very less. Significantly, magnesium and calcium, they were highly reactive towards acids. So students, this is which I am going to show you the activity about aqua regia. You already know 3:1 ratio of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid concentrated. So let's see. In that beaker what we have done, we have poured 10 ml of hydrochloric acid and 1 ml of nitric acid. Can you see the bubbles forming? Right? See how the bubbles are forming? These bubbles are continuously forming. Can you see? I'm going more closer to it. So a continuous, see, the liquid is taken out. What has left? The melted gold coin, just all sticking over the beaker. So this is how it is so reactive that it can melt also gold and platinum. Students, in the book we have studied that metals react with acid to form hydrogen gas and salt, but nitric acid reacts with metals to form water instead of hydrogen gas. You already know the reason, because nitric acid is a good oxidizing agent. But in the other hand, if magnesium reacts with dilute nitric acid, it forms hydrogen gas. Let's see how it reacts. This is a small piece of magnesium ribbon, you can see, and we'll put nitric acid in a test tube. We can observe that what is happening, magnesium is reacting with nitric acid and forming small bubbles. You can see here. See students, these are some questions where you just have to put true and false. It will help you to give you knowledge. Answers are given below, but I'm not going to give you. See students, these questions are really very good for practice. At home sitting, just you don't have to do, you just have to analyze which one is correct, the reason and the assertion, which one is correct. So you do it. If you have any problem, I will talk to you in the classes. Till then, you take care and bye-bye. Hope you understand everything, and if something is not clear, do let me know in the comment box. Bye-bye.